Today let's explore the arrowroot farming value chain and get to see some of the various options that you might be having when it comes to generating income from your arrowroots. So welcome. First of all, sell the tubers, and we say the tubers takes 6 months to mature, so you'll be getting your money every 6 months that you plant your tubers, and they can fetch very highly, going even for $3 a kg. So this can be a very good business and a lucrative one for you to do, so that you can make a living from arrowroot farming. Number 2, you can offer training to farmers on site selection for planting your arrowroots, the all specifications, the planting process, the management in terms of water, pest and disease control, pruning, all the way to harvesting, and also the marketing opportunities, and as well as the issue of post-harvest handling. All this, they can earn you a small fee where you can offer the training to individual farmers and also to farmers groups. You can also offer the training to students. If you are getting value from this video, kindly remember to subscribe, like, comment and share, and we'll be very grateful for your continued support. You may also choose to deal with planting materials because it's on very high demand. A piece can fetch some good money. You may choose to sell them per piece or per bundle, and you may need to do some market research so that you may know the pricing out there, so that you don't get exploited. And also you need to work on your logistics because farmers can order from far, and you need to have a means to do deliveries. The other way you can generate some income from arrowroot farming is through selling the leaves. The leaves serves as a very good vegetable that is very nutritious for human beings, and also it is a very good feed or fodder for animals like pigs. With pigs, they love the leaves, especially when boiled, and also it can be mixed with other pig feeds as well. So you need to be harvesting the leaves and reaching out to farmers who keep pigs so that they can buy from you. And if you are keeping pigs yourself, you can as well utilize these leaves yourself in this manner. And for human consumption, it is still very low, but you need to do awareness to people so that they can understand the importance of this vegetable in terms of its nutrients. The other option that you have will be to go a step further and do value addition on your arrowroots, where you take the tubers and you peel them off. After peeling them off, you slice them into very small pieces, with which you'll dry them, ensuring that they've dried very well, and then you can grind them into a fine flour or powder that you can package and sell to people out there. It is very good for both infants and adults. If you found this video helpful, kindly remember to subscribe, like, comment and share, and we'll be very grateful for your continued support. Thank you for tagging along, but until the next video, keep growing, guys.